Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing? I hope you are doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty. Also, I am doing very well, but I am not so glad at this moment and this season because I can't practice in English every day for my work. To be honest, this time my village area, most of the people are very busy and the peasant are to work too hard because it's high time to harvest the paddy as well as plant harvest the jute as well as plant the paddy. Consequently, peasant is very busy as well as me. I am a student as well as I am obedient to cultivate in my field. That's why today I have come here to trim this boundary the field by the spade. Spade means kodal, and I have come today. My main purpose is to trim this field by the spade because inshallah today I will tillage this field by the tractor. Consequently, one kind of I am obedient to do that, and my village most of the field also completed to harvesting the jute. Also, I have completed to cutting the jute from myself. I I took two workers and 5 days, 6 days I worked my field. Consequently, I have completed to harvest the jute. And after 1 day, 2 days later, I will plant the paddy in this field, as you can see. And at this moment, I am still making video for improve my English skills. After make video, I will again trim my another field. So this type of this season I don't like because this season most of the people obedient to work hard for the jute. Actually, you know that jute cultivators who are living in the rural area who can understand jute cultivate is so expensive and the peasant is obedient to work too hard. That's why I don't like to cultivate the jute, but the farmer is bound to do that.